She can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if she want it.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, A1 Day Ones? But most importantly, Merry Christmas to you and yours. I hope today has just been filled with love and gratefulness, just all positive things. Today is December 25th. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and I just want to say thank you, God, for waking me up this morning. Y'all, this has been a very, very different Christmas for me. So before I get into some of the gifts I bought myself, as well as, you know, some gifts I got from Bae and things of that sort, I am going to talk about just Christmas, just like what Christmas should be about, right? So at the end of the day, it's about giving back. It's about giving, and it's about showing gratitude, and it's about just, you know, having that for saying like, I appreciate everything you've done for me, and, you know, just giving back. I feel like it's the same as Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving doesn't require us necessarily to have a gift for somebody, but to me, Christmas is about just showing your appreciation and giving back. But most importantly, it's about Jesus. It's said that today is his birthday, and we all just need to remember, like, he is the reason for the season. Jesus is the reason for the season. So let's just never forget that. Santa Claus, you know, we mess with you. We appreciate you, especially the inner kid of ourselves. But it is about Jesus, and it always is going to be about him. So I just wanted to start off talking about that first before we dive into anything else. So let me explain to y'all what's going on with me. So I have mentioned this on this channel before, and not that I just gotta tell y'all my business and y'all, but you know, I try to be as transparent as possible, and I never want you guys to feel like I'm not keeping it real. I'm not telling y'all what's going on. So many of you may or may know I am not vaccinated. So make a long story short, one of my aunts, I love her to death, she's high risk. And normally for the Christmas holidays, I go with my family to Hilton Head. It's in South Carolina. We have timeshare there, so that is where my family is. My mom and dad are there with my family, and I'm not vaccinated, and neither is my brother. Hopefully he don't mind me putting his business out there, but nonetheless, so we took it upon ourselves to say we're gonna sit back. You know, neither of us have COVID, thank God, y'all, and I know y'all know this has been going on. I don't have COVID, so it's not about, you know, us being sick or anything like that. It's more so just protecting ours. And you guys know I live alone, so I have made a decision to not get vaccinated yet, because again, I work from home and I live by myself, so my life is completely different. I don't have kids, you know. It's just like, it's me, it's about me, so I can make the decisions, you know, based off of myself. So I have not chosen, I have not elected to do that yet, but when I do, y'all will be the first to know. But make a long story short, so this Christmas is so different. I'm here by myself. Luckily for me, my friend is having something later on today. She wants us to wear red, so that's why I have on red. But make a long story short, just love your loved ones. If you are with your family today, love them. Kiki, Kaka, y'all have a great time, because I wish that I could be with mine. So yeah, so anyway, without further ado, is there anything else I want to tell you guys before we jump into some of the things that I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on this Christmas, y'all? So you guys, some of you guys know that I started a new job a few months ago. Now, once I started, I said, Lord, once I get this job, I'm gonna spoil myself. That's what I said. So I got the job, boom. Now I done spoiled myself, child. So this is not boxed, and y'all, I done wore these things a couple of times now. But baby, I've been swimming with the sharks this winter. Right? Swimming with the sharks this winter. Do they even sound right? But anyway, make a long story short, so yes, this is one of the gifts. I've been bought this for myself. I think I got these boots in September, but obviously I didn't start wearing them until, like, literally, I think the first time I wore them was like the 1st of December or something. But I love these shoes. If you guys, any of you guys are interested in like seeing me try them on, put them off, because I know you guys have heard about these boots. They are by Givenchy, and y'all, I barely be able to get them things up these legs, and my legs not even that big, so that says a lot. Like, oh my God, they are not meant for thick women. Like, what's going on? But anyway, so I love those boots, and I did order those and have those shipped to myself. I want to show you guys a few of the other things that I bought for myself, but I think I'm gonna wait because a lot of them are shoes. And let me know in the comments right now. Well, you know what? You ain't even gotta let me know because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a whole boot haul this week. So I'll probably film it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna show y'all all the boots I have, because baby, I done went crazy. But so I'm not gonna make this video super long, but I do want to unbox one gift that I got, y'all. When I say I am an impulsive buyer when it comes to things that are not expensive. That is true, but when it is something and I want it, y'all, I done thought years. Like, even with these Givenchy boots, I've been wanting these things for years. And I was just like, Lord, when I'm able, when I can afford, I'm getting it. So without further ado, y'all. Oh my goodness. We got us a Chanel. I'm about to join the Chanel crew, okay? I am so excited, y'all. Like, y'all, so let me give you a little on me. I know y'all like, girl, stop talking, get to the bag. But let me explain something about me. I love baby bags. When little baby said she can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if she want it, literally, I know y'all probably think I'm capped, but say little baby came up to me right now and was like, hey, I'm gonna be like, can I get the smaller Chanel back in the store? Like, that's gonna be me, because I love mini bags. I love mini bags. To me, they're just so fashion forward. They complement everything. And you know, if you a big bag lady, you know, no shade, but to me, I just feel like them big bags, that's just not my style. When I see a big bag, I think travel. I think storage when I think of big bags. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't be thinking like, oh my God, I just so fashion forward. Like, that's just not what I think. When I see like small dainty bags, it just does something to me. Now, one thing about my small bags, I like for them to be practical though. So I don't necessarily like to buy stuff that I can't like put my phone in, or I can't put like things like a wallet, things like that. So I try to keep it, you know, in a range. But I'm gonna be honest, a lot of my bags I cannot put my phone in, but the bags are just so cute, and it's just I don't know, it's something about mini bags. So okay, I wanted to say that first. So now y'all, let's get into a little bit of this unboxing. I am so excited. So when I went into the Chanel store, y'all, they were like, I said, what y'all got left? And I said, I had to say it like that because this was a few weeks ago. I got this bag like maybe like 3 weeks ago. I went in the store and got it. But I just knew, all I knew was these bags are high demand, as y'all know. And on top of that, like, it's just expensive. It's expensive. But people, somehow everybody got money for them, child. So I said, what's left? And so she showed me about 5 different bags. But to me, this one was the better one. I did not want a black bag, y'all. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God. Like, I feel like I need to do a TikTok unboxing, but I'm gonna unbox this with y'all. We gonna leave. We just gonna let TikTok do its thing. Okay, so let's open. Dang, can y'all see? Okay, let me set it up so y'all can see. All right, so we're gonna pull. Oh, she is so cute, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open the bag. Matter of fact, let me just pull this off. Ooh. All right, so this is what she looks like. And ooh, I'm all over the place trying to open this. Okay, open it. And don't get me wrong, like black Chanel bags are still good, but it's like I got so many black bags. Oh, do y'all see her? Oh my God, I have not seen her in weeks. Literally, oh. Y'all, she is perfect. Hey girlfriend. Hey mama, she is so perfect, y'all. I just love her. So this is the Chanel mini bag. I don't know where my little cards and stuff is at to give y'all the details on everything. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah, here we go. So yeah, this is the mini flap bag in an extra small. Mini, just like mini. And this is what she looks like, y'all. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Like, this bag is year-round. This is a year-round color. And that's why I got it. Like, she had like this other kind of grayish metallic looking bag. But I said, let me just get something I can wear year-round. Like, oh, I'm just loving this bag, y'all. Like, oh, she is everything. So let me take a look inside. Pull some of this paper out so that y'all can see on the inside. This is the inside of the bag. This is my phone, and my phone fits perfectly. Like, y'all, this is the perfect bag. Like, when I think of a mini bag, this is perfect. Like, I can put my phone in there. That's all I be needing. Everything else, I'll make it work. But this is cute, y'all. So, yep. This is all I wanted for Christmas. I got so much more, but this is really honestly all I wanted. And I am in love. Like, I am in love with her. She is just so classy, so classic. I just feel like, you guys know I'm turning 30 next year and I'm doing it big for my 30th. So it's just like, I just want everything I do moving forward to just be more classy, more my age, just moving into 30, if that makes sense. And I just feel like this is just professional on top of sexy, classy. It just embodies everything. So I love this. All right, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little mini impromptu vlog. Again, happy holidays. I love you guys so much, my A1 Day Ones. Thank you guys for rocking with me this year. It's only gonna get better from here. Gonna be more open, more transparent, and just show you guys and do more on this channel. So I'm looking forward to that. I have been working all day, so new intro starts tomorrow. And I am gonna do another intro maybe like mid-January. So it's some good things coming, big shit popping, and I'm excited. I'm excited. If there's anything else I want to tell y'all, I don't know. Other than that, I love you guys, and I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. And I love you, and just I'm gonna keep saying that until the wheels fall off. This me and you, this us right here. You know what I'm saying? Love you guys. See you guys soon.